Lee Self-Development TV. Why parents and teachers should use ChatGPT. Hello. Today, let's find out why ChatGPT should be used by teachers. Providing individualized learning paths. ChatGPT enables optimal and individualized learning to provide variable learning paths according to the student's learning scope and needs. Provide up-to-date feedback. ChatGPT analyzes students' answers and automatically provides feedback to help students correct errors and improve collaboration for faster learning. Provide a variety of materials. ChatGPT provides a variety of learning materials to help students collect more information and materials in the learning process. Providing student cooperative opportunities. ChatGPT provides opportunities for students to improve their communication and collaboration skills by advancing their learning with other skills and collaborations. Remote education method. AI technology such as ChatGPT can convert the traditional education method to bicycle and provide more appropriate and effective education. Changing teacher roles. ChatGPT helps teachers teach students more practically. This frees up teachers more time to focus on engaging with students and developing creative teaching methods. Global education expansion. Artificial intelligence technologies such as ChatGPT can dismantle language expansion and contribute to global education expansion. These students will be able to build a more diverse culture and educational system. For these reasons, ChatGPT is an essential tool for the development of students' learning and education system. Teachers can utilize ChatGPT as a useful tool to improve students' dissatisfaction while providing benefits to schools, teachers, students, and interfaces alike. By using ChatGPT, students can individually learn at the top of their learning path along the learning path and receive the learning they need right away in the learning process. In addition, students who can receive various learning materials can have more diverse experiences. Students can improve their communication and collaboration skills together, either with each other or in collaboration with sports. In addition, artificial intelligence technologies such as ChatGPT make the training method inconvenient and provide more practical and effective training. This allows the tactile sense to guide the students and allow more time to be engaged with the students and focus on developing creative teaching methods. ChatGPT can also break down language PDFs and contribute to global education expansion. These students will be able to build a more diverse culture and educational system. This stress ChatGPT completes the reason why spines and teachers have to take advantage of it in various aspects, such as the improvement of students' ability, the development of the education system, the change in the role of education, and the expansion of global education. ChatGPT is said to be a great exchange and development of students and education. Thanks for watching.